Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best yoga mats that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Jade Harmony Yoga Mat. The Jade Harmony Yoga Mat was one of the top picks in almost all the expert sites we reviewed for its stability, extra grip, spongy feel, and long-lasting durability. Our testers have been using the same Jade yoga mat for 7 years, and it has remained stable and with great grip after hundreds of practices of all types of yoga. The Harmony mat was highly rated by Outside Magazine, Outdoor Gear Lab, NY Times, Women's Health Magazine, GymGearInfo.com, and thoroughly reviewed. The Jade Harmony Yoga Mat is made in the US of natural rubber, with no PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and is notable for the company's environmental and sustainability practices. Moving on at number 4, we have the Manduka Pro. The Manduka Pro, and the lighter and thinner version called the Manduka Pro Light, are our top winners for a non-rubber mat and for outdoor use. As a yoga instructor, my personal mat of choice is the Pro Light Yoga Mat. Over years of constant use, I have found the Manduka to be extremely durable, stable, and sticky. Similarly, expert reviews give it top marks for durability and ease of care. Outdoor Gear Lab gave it the top pick for Comfort Award. It was also liked by Yoga Journal and Outside Magazine. Reviews praise it for having lots of padding. It's the only mat we considered with a lifetime guarantee. That lifetime warranty with its thickness make it the best mat for people who practice yoga outside. At number 3, we have the AURORAE Synergy. We think the AURORAE Synergy 2-in-1 yoga mat is the best mat for hot yoga and yogis with sweaty hands. Hot yoga is often practiced at 105 F with 40% humidity, so it results in more sweat and moisture from the air than other kinds of yoga. The AURORAE Synergy merges a rubber yoga mat with a yoga towel to create a 2-in-1 mat system well suited for stability and grippy traction when wet. The AURORAE Synergy is a 2-in-1 mat designed with a microfiber towel top surface that is bonded to a polymer environmental resin bottom. This system works for hot yoga because the towel absorbs sweat. Meanwhile, the non-slip surface on the bottom of the mat is designed to prevent movement from sweat-induced moisture. At number 2, we have the Manduka Echo Yoga Mat. The Manduka Echo Yoga Mat has great traction and is comfortable and stable for standing poses. It's a 2-layer rubber mat that is designed to be extra durable. The bottom layer is the typical open cell construction found in most yoga mats, but the top layer is a sealed cell, which is meant to increase durability and impermeability to keep out water and sweat. It's made of biodegradable non-Amazon harvested rubber. However, the Manduka Echo was on the heavier side and the most expensive mat we considered. It also had among the lowest customer reviews of any of the mats we considered. Ultimately, we think our overall winner, Lululemon's The Mat, is just as comfortable and stable, plus it has the advantage of being reversible. It also has much higher reviews. For those who prefer a Manduka mat, we think you're better off with the Manduka Pro, our winner for best outdoor mat. And finally at number 1, we have the Hugger Mugger TAPAS Original Yoga Mat. The Hugger Mugger TAPAS Original Yoga Mat claims to be the original sticky mat and is the first US-made yoga mat, where it has been manufactured for almost 30 years. The word, tapas, is a Sanskrit word used in yoga with roots in Indian religions. The Hugger Mugger is a budget PVC yoga mat that is competitive in price with the True Blue budget mat we recommend as our budget winner, as well as with the Gayam yoga mat. The Hugger Mugger Tapas contains no heavy metals or phthalate. It's what many people think of when they think of a standard mat. However, customer reviews were among the lowest we'd seen of any of the mats we considered. Since we started working on this guide, the original listing and its customer reviews have been deleted, but we don't think the mat has been updated. We also think that for the price, the True Blue non-slip mat is a better option.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.